I got this dirty and rusty Wilson staff set. Let's see what we can do with them and how much they'll go for. We got ourselves a pretty good deal here. For $25, we got ourselves a full set of Wilson staff and a matching Wilson bag. Irons are complete except for the sand wedge, so we have irons 3 to 9 plus a pitching wedge. We also have 3 drivers. One of them is a Callaway Big Bertha. I will remove this from the set and try to sell it individually. I do have 2 Wilson drivers, matching colors. People love that. They're pretty banged up, but they will serve more as bonuses in the set. I do have in stock a lot of Wilson woods. They're absolutely worthless, but they will make this set look even more complete. The irons are absolutely disgusting, but they don't seem to be damaged. A lot of dirt, a lot of scratches, and the shafts are rusty. The grips are definitely not new, but these Golf Pride older model tour wraps last forever. Oh, I just saw that. I thought it was a complete 3 to 9 iron Wilson staff set. The 7 iron is a random TaylorMade, and judging by the color of it, it's a woman's iron. The rest of the set is a men's set. All right, this is gonna make the set a bit less attractive than I thought it would. Unfortunately, I did not have an acceptable 7 iron, so I just removed the TaylorMade woman's 7 iron, and I'm just gonna have to live with it. I am adding a Wilson 1 wood and a Wilson Pro Staff 5 wood. So I'm hoping that even though it's incomplete, someone will think that there are enough clubs in there for them to start. One thing left to do, let's head to the Shining Shack. I'm pretty happy with the results. I posted this set for $90. There weren't a lot of clicks on my ad in the first hour, so I brought it down to $80. After 2 days, I was offered $70 and I agreed to it because it had been 48 hours since I posted the set. I paid $25 for this set, meaning I made a $45 profit. I spent 1 hour on this set. This brings me to a $45 an hour hourly wage. It's a little bit under what I usually want, so we're gonna need to be more efficient next time. See you soon.